Imagine a tiny natural snack that's been called nature's candy, packed with nutrients, bursting with sweetness, and capable of transforming your health in just 30 days. What if I told you that eating just 2 of these every day could change your body in ways you never expected? Stick around, because today we're diving into the science-backed benefits of dates and what happens to your body when you make them a daily habit. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Healthy Fuel Hub, and today we're talking about one of the most underrated superfoods out there, dates. These little powerhouses have been a staple in Middle Eastern diets for centuries, and for good reason. They're not just delicious, they're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can work wonders for your body. But what exactly happens when you eat 2 dates every day for a month? Does it really make a difference? Well, the answer might surprise you. From boosting your energy to improving your digestion and even supporting your heart health, dates are a game changer. So, let's break it down and explore the incredible benefits of this simple habit. 1. Improved digestion. Let's start with one of the most immediate benefits you'll notice: improved digestion. Dates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, with 2 dates providing about 3 to 4 grams of fiber. Fiber is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly, and it helps prevent issues like constipation and bloating. But that's not all. The fiber in dates also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mental health. So if you've been struggling with digestive issues, adding 2 dates to your daily routine could be a simple and delicious solution. 2. Boosted energy levels. Let's talk about energy. If you've ever felt that mid-afternoon slump or struggled to power through a workout, dates might be the answer. Dates are rich in natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide a quick and sustained energy boost. Unlike processed sugars that cause a crash, the fiber in dates slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, giving you steady energy without the spikes and crashes. Plus, dates contain essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help your muscles function properly and reduce fatigue. So, whether you're hitting the gym or just need a pick-me-up, 2 dates a day can keep your energy levels steady and high. 3. Heart health support. Dates are a heart-healthy food, thanks to their high potassium content. Potassium is a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium in your diet. Studies have shown that a diet rich in potassium can lower your risk of stroke and heart disease. Dates are also packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which reduce inflammation and prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, a key factor in the development of heart disease. So, by eating 2 dates a day, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're also giving your heart some love. 4. Stronger bones. Dates can help strengthen your bones. Dates are a good source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, which can lead to conditions like osteoporosis. But by incorporating bone-supporting foods like dates into your diet, you can help slow down this process and keep your bones strong for years to come. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your bone health, 2 dates a day is a great place to start. Last but not least, better skin and hair. Dates are rich in antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin B5, which are essential for healthy skin and hair. These nutrients help fight free radicals, reduce signs of aging, and promote collagen production, giving you glowing, youthful skin. Dates also contain copper, a mineral that supports the production of melanin, the pigment that gives your hair its color. So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your beauty, 2 dates a day might just be your secret weapon. So, there you have it. 5 incredible things that can happen to your body when you eat 2 dates every day for a month. From better digestion and boosted energy to stronger bones and glowing skin, dates are truly a superfood worth adding to your diet. But remember, consistency is key. It's not about eating a handful of dates once in a while. It's about making them a daily habit. Start small, with just 2 dates a day, and see how your body responds. You might be surprised at how such a simple change can make such a big difference. If you're ready to give it a try, let me know in the comments below. Have you already tried eating dates daily? What changes have you noticed? I'd love to hear your experiences and tips. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Sharing is caring, after all. For more tips on health, wellness, and simple habits that can transform your life, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of it, one date at a time. See you in the next video.